Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Now this video is sponsored by Luvme Hair. I have no idea why that was upside down, but this hair is sponsored by Luvme Hair, and I'm just gonna quickly show you guys what they sent to me inside the package. So they pretty much sent me stocking caps. That's why I have it on my head. I have one on my head. They sent me that little nail care kit. I don't know why I said tip. And their hair care instructions, washing the hair and all of that, and this little pouch that has, I think it has bobby pins, baby hair combs, a Love Me hair clip, and also I think it's also a elastic band. So yeah, that's what they sent to me inside the packaging. So this is the wig that they sent to me. It is deep curly, I think, and I don't remember. I think it's deep curly or deep wave, one of them. But this is how the inside of the wig is looking. I don't remember the length. I think it's either 14 or 12, but I will be putting the links down in the description box. But that's just how the wig is looking. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and apply my foundation to the wig. I normally use my Even Tinted Lace Spray in light warm brown, but I don't have it. I've been wanting to go get it, but I have not. So I'm just going to apply my makeup, and then I'm just going to pretty much apply my wig. But yeah, let's just jump right into the application of the wig. I will be using glue, by the way, so this is a glue install. I also want to mention that please to know that Luvme Hair, whenever they say it is HD lace, it's actually HD lace. At this point, I feel like most of my actual HD laces actually comes from Luvme Hair. Their laces are always very thin. It's always like it melts in your skin. Literally no question asked. It always melts in your skin. And if you realize, I'm always working with them, and even when my clients come here and they will ask me who have the best HD lace, I will always run, and Luvme Hair is always my first option, always, because they actually have good quality lace. Okay, this hair, the quality of the hair was not bad. It is curly hair, so you know it's gonna shed a little bit, but apart from that, it was actually a good hair. It was soft. Like it wasn't shedding too much to the point where I was getting annoyed or anything like that. So 10 out of 10 for the lace, and I'm gonna give it a 9.5 out of 10 for the hair, because of just the fact that it actually will shed, because it is curly hair. So this is how the hair looks when I cut the lace off. Like, look at that. Look at that. I could easily wear it like that. But I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to stop right here and do my makeup and, well, start my makeup and then come back while my makeup is, like, in the midst of my makeup so I could finish the installation. Because I want to do my makeup before I do my baby hairs. So, yeah. The next clip is going to be with me in makeup. But anyways, I'm just showing you guys how much I love this hair, even without baby hairs. Like, look at that. Look at that. Okay, guys, so I actually decided this last minute because I was just like I wasn't feeling the way how the middle part was looking, so I just added like two messy braids to make it seem like it's actually my natural hair, and I just braided it out the way because it was like bothering me, my face or whatever. So it's not like a neat braided style because I didn't want it to be neat. I wanted it to look very messy, like I said, because I wanted it to look like it's just my natural hair, and I just decided to just add some braids in my hair to make it look a little bit cute. And I think that's what I got, so I'm fine with it. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you are notified whenever I post, and leave all your comments down below. Once again, I would like to thank Luvme here for sponsoring this video, and again, I will see you guys in my next one. Goodbye.